So today I'm replacing my OEM turn signal bulbs with an LED switchback light, and I'm just going to show you guys how to do this. This is where the bulb is located, and all you do is turn this a quarter turn counterclockwise down and then pull straight back. Now before you touch the bulb, make sure that your car is cooled for a while because the bulb may be hot. Then you can just pull it out. Now there's only one of two ways to stick the LED in. If when you test it, it doesn't turn on, all you have to do is rotate the bulb 180 degrees and it should work for you. So we'll just put that there and give her a test. Okay, so it didn't turn on, so we just need to rotate it 180 degrees. Okay, so the bulb is good now. There's a flat part right here on the socket. This flat part needs to be situated down towards the ground when you place it back in. And when you look at the installation going towards the front of the vehicle, you want to put that flat part at 7 o'clock. And then it should slide right in there. And then at that point in time, you just give it a quarter turn up and it's installed.